Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is going to be another one of the Freak Week creations, if that makes any sense. So you might not know that every year Kaylee MUA does a Freak Week course, and essentially she does a few in-depth tutorials along with loads of other things, but she does like a couple of in-depth tutorials, basically not to show you how to do the look as such, but to show you how to do the techniques from the look, so like illusion or like ones that take a lot of shade in, stuff like that, and then you can take that and you can incorporate it into different looks and make different looks with it. So this look was actually inspired by Niall Casey, not somebody that I actually know, but I will be going on and looking and following them for sure because their looks are out of this world. But this obviously is no credit to me. Obviously she took inspiration and did the same kind of look as well, so all credit is to him, but it is more about the techniques of kind of changing the shape of your face into some sort of skinwalker, reptile type thing. So yeah, I have makeup on just now. I'm going to go and take it off. I have been out and about today and this is me just home. It is literally like 8 o'clock at night, so we're just going to get cracking with this. But I'm just going to show you basically the steps. It's not going to be any sort of tutorial as such because, like I say, I can't take credit for this. I just wanted to take you along on the journey and show you how I was getting on. And yeah, without further ado, we will get straight into the tutorial. I will put up on the screen the same way as I did my last video. I don't know if that's up yet, but the same way is I'll just put up little kind of annotations to say what it is I'm doing and why it is that I'm doing it. So yeah, let's get going. I just wanted to say, Obviously, if you enjoyed the video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!